My body is my temple, and I want to decorate it as many ways that I can. Like, the 16th Chapel would suck if it didn't have all the beautiful artwork on it. So I feel that, you know, I just make myself a little bit more interesting. I have an affinity for doing like cartoons. Like I just love doing them because I connect with them. Nightmare Before Christmas or old school Disney or Winnie the Pooh and stuff like that. But I really like just tattooing in general. So it's fun for me, it's therapeutic. I think that this is bringing a whole new aspect of tattooing just to the population, which is one of the reasons why I got behind it, just because it's so different, because it's something that everybody can get down on. Even if you had reserves about tattooing before, this would kind of help you ease into, you know, the whole tattoo pool. My name is Asia Noel, and I'm an artist at Ephemeral LA.